Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel, and today I want to share with you my completed project, and this I call it the man cave. At first I was thinking of calling it like a studio apartment, but I decided to do a man cave because I had this figurine right there. He looks so realistic, and that's why I came up with this idea. Now let's start with the walls back there. You see the black and white walls? That's actually from a table cover, tablecloth that I bought at the Dollar Tree. So I took some cardboard pieces that I cut to perfection to fit those walls, and then I wrapped them up just like if I was wrapping up a Christmas present. I wrapped them up with that tablecloth in black and white, and look how nice it came out. And then the borders up there, that's from a file folder. The black and white checkered, that's from a file folder. Battery operated light on the Dollar Tree. The window over there and all these paintings on the walls, those I went into Google and I Googled images, paintings and stuff like that, and I came up with those. They were all in black and white, like that window. But I gave it a little bit of color. I'm not sure if you see it, but with coloring pencils here, see, whatever was really kind of white in the black and white, I colored it to give it some color. So that's where I came out with that. Then I had these little figurines which added to the decor of this room. Statue of Liberty there and a ship. It's like a metal ship. And this part here, to me, I see like a closet. I might even make hangers and stuff like that. But that was a box where you get the glass coasters, you know, the coasters for your drinks. That's what that is. They go in there. So it looked like a closet to me. So then I made a bed, handmade. And this is just a gift box where you put a ring, like for a ring. That's all it is at the end of the bed. And then here I got a desk. The desk is actually also a gift box with a hutch, another part there, but this is a radio. See how it has the dial, the volume dial? See? So that's part of the desk now. And these two little computers I got at Michael's a while back in the Halloween section, and I use it for all my office miniatures. The chair is from Hobby Lobby. I got it recently. That violin is part of my miniatures. Everything is part of my miniatures. That refrigerator is from Hobby Lobby. And the TV. Look at that flat screen TV. Look how cute. Now, on the sides of the TV, if you take a look at those two white and black tubes, you know what that is? Those are the bodies of two pens. I took the pens apart, and I came out with those two pieces, and I said, well, you know what, they look like speakers, like they belong to the TV. And since everything is black and white here, it just all blended in. Then for the bar, see that beige gray part, the plastic part? That's actually a ramp for skateboards. My son is 26 years old, and in the basement I still have some of his toys. So I went through it and I found that part, and it was just perfect. And as the seating, I used shot glasses with round magnets, decorative magnets on top. And that pizza is a little oversized, but it's part of my miniatures. Then I have a little rug there. And as the flooring, I just used decorative paper that I buy at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. You can get that anywhere. And then I put two dice together with a ball as part of a decor for a masculine room like this one. And the glasses here, you see those little champagne glasses right there? Those are actually magnets. That's all it is, magnets. And a handmade lamp there just by putting magnets together. So I think that's it. I think I went over everything. So this is the man cave. If you have a space and you want to design it like that, hey, you can. If you have a small space, you can still do this. Just place the bed there, with the desk. Then you have your entertainment area, TV and sofa, and you still have the bar. And you still have your closet. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed.